It's difficult to start a sugar diet when I'm responsible to fry chicken on Mother's Day. What can I say? I was the fried chicken king. No, come close. Like you only doing this. Okay? And then now I'm moving back. Come close. And then show me. Step back and show me. Now, go right here. Okay, now show me going in there. Okay, after you finish doing some cooking, and what I'm gonna do, I had some flags I needed to retire, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm not really sure exactly how to do it. The only thing that I know of is like you have to fold it, and then you have to burn it in a complete form. So I'm doing my best, you know. So I'm going to start with this little flag right here, and I have much bigger flag, and let me see. So I properly fold it. Let me see. Okay, I have those. Some of them were falling apart, so I did my best to keep them folded so I would not dishonor any flags. This one was falling apart, so I couldn't fold it properly. Let me get this one. Okay, I'm doing my best not to disrespect the flags. So it's properly folded. So I retired them properly. And also our state flag, and I'm doing the same. Oof, so hot. And I'm doing the same respectfully. Okay. Got another one. So, okay, respectfully.